You guys, how come the unicorn in Oblivion is so lore accurate to unicorns? I just want to ride a pretty unicorn that I found in a grove and defeated 3 minotaurs to get. But it wants to kill everything and hates me and keeps going back to the grove. I feel like this is exactly how unicorns would be. But I just want to ride it around. You know what's even less cool than the unicorn? The excessive rainfall and severe weather. It's going to be the focus for the weekend, especially throughout the east and the southeast. Another day of heavy rain for parts of New England, showers, thunderstorms. Maybe get some thunderstorms in the northwest as well, but it's going to be drier in the southwest and the midwest and the plains and the Great Lakes. That's all dry. And record warmth is expected for parts of the west and the northern plains. Hot, hot, hot. Let's look at those temperatures for tomorrow. Not as hot as it makes me to ride around on this unicorn. Starting with the west coast today, we're doing it backwards. We've got 60s and 70s up in Washington, eastern Washington up in 79 range, Oregon anywhere between 79 and 74. California, you are hot. It's 91 in NorCal, 71 in San Fran, 101 in SoCal, and 83 down by the border. Mountain states, same story. We've got 90 up by the Canadian border, 94 down by the Mexican border, and everything in between in the 80s and 90s. Plains, we've got 91 way up at the border, 80. It's actually hotter up by the Canadian border than it is down at the tip of Texas, but everything looks really warm. Great Lakes, you're having anywhere between the 40s and the 70s, high 70s even, depending on where you're at. Midwest looks like it's all cozy and comfy in the low to mid 70s, maybe some high 70s. East Coast, we've got Maine and the Northeast having cooler temperatures, 47, 52, 65, around there. Everything in the middle is really in the mid 70s, and then down in the peanuts of America, Florida, getting up to 87 at the tip. McMurdo Station at 9 degrees Fahrenheit with winds from the north at 18 miles per hour, gusts up to 23, giving you a real feel of negative 15 degrees, and it looks like it is clear with no precipitation on deck. Alaska, totally normal Alaska type shiz where there is some precipitation, especially along the coastline. Alaska temperatures, we've got low 20s up on the Arctic Circle. The rest of the state seeing anywhere between 30 and the mid 50s. Aleutians 44, 47, Anchorage area in 54, 53. Hawaii, breezy, maybe some clouds, maybe a little sprinkle of showers, especially in the normal spots at the normal times and places. Temperatures for Hawaii in the high 70s to mid 80s, most areas. This has been Ayla Mooney. Totally never ever flirt with me. I will rant about a unicorn to you. Okay, have a good day, guys. Bye.